What's going on, everyone? This is the Ogio ONU 22. Now this is the perfect traveling carrying case because of one big reason. This is built to specifications so it's ready to be your carry-on luggage. Now, as you look over this bag, one thing I will tell you is to start off with the dimensions. This thing is 22 inches tall, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. Again, perfect for that carry-on luggage. This is a wheeled bag, so you've got the nice skate wheels that roll nice and easy, and then you've got a 2-position locking handle. This thing is ready to be dragged around the airport while you're carrying your stuff. Now with this particular graphics package, I will tell you, you're not gonna want this bag to end up at Hayden's house. So Ogio's got your own personal identification card for the inside of this right here. Now I will show you one thing. They did put a 2.5-inch expander on this. So if you need a little bit more room, you've got that expander that you can zip up to get that extra space. But I will let you know, if you use the expander, it's no longer carry-on ready. You're gonna have to have this crunched down for the carry-on capability or it's checked luggage. Now the next thing that I'm gonna show you on the outside of this are the exterior pockets. On the outside, you've got a top one with an interior pocket, and then you've got another one here and here, making sure that you've got tons of different areas to store all of your things. Now the next thing, handles. You've got 5 handles around this bag so you can hold it in many different ways. Now when it comes to the inside of this bag, I'm gonna tell you most of the time, again, especially with this being Ogio's most popular travel bag, most of the time you're gonna be packing this full of casual clothes. Now I could have stuffed this full of sweaters and t-shirts, but that's not gonna do it justice, right? We gotta use motocross gear, so that's what I did here. The first thing I will show you once we get into the inside of this bag is you've got 2 interior mesh pockets here that are gonna breathe real well as show off what you've got on the inside. And then the motocross gear that I slapped in here. We've got a chest protector, a neck brace, 2 different sets of gear. I did some knee guards, and then some socks. On the inside of this, you do have 2 interior pockets that run the length of the bag. And then the last thing that they did in here was they gave you these awesome compression straps. These things are ready to strap down your gear and make sure that you've got all of the space needed to make sure you can still make it onto your flight. This right here is the Ogio ONU 22. This is your perfect carry-on companion. Get yours by jumping on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.